don't know. I've never been on this trail. We just decided to check it out. It seems kind of short, and then it goes to a road, and then we go on Green Mountain East. It's rated as a blue, so I guess we'll just see what that means. Sometimes I don't trust these ratings at all. Like they mean nothing.
This is a tough one. You're doing it though. Oh, nice. You got grip. Horses, regular bikes, motorcycles. There's no e-bikes. Someone put a hot tomato sticker here. We went there in Fruta. The zone's kind of cool. All kinds of weird little rock sections. Ah, yeah, look at that. There's the Go Rocks for sure. We made it.
Whoa.
This is Matt Green Mountain.
Isn't there another Green Mountain up by Seattle we went to?
Yeah, he owns all those.
Green Mountain.
He owns all the greens. Green River Killer too. Oh, it was nothing. Okay, now we're leaving Horseshoe Lake on the High Lakes Trail. We're gonna go downhill for a bit, and then there's a really exciting river crossing where the bridge is washed out a long time ago. Oh, this isn't it. This is another one. No problem. I'll do it right now. If you want to take your wife or girlfriend motorcycling with you in the woods, and she doesn't have a motorcycle history, she doesn't have any experience riding motorcycles, you should get her a Surron. Because if she doesn't know how to use her clutch and her gears and operate a two-stroke, then it's going to take her a really long time to learn. She's not going to have fun. But if you get her a Surron, she can be riding just like Jessica in front of me in less than a year. No problem. No shifting, no clutch, no gears, 2 handbrakes, no foot brake. Super easy. You can turn the power down when they start off so that they're not scared by the power, and then you can turn it up when they want the power. Battery gives you 30 to 40 miles in the backcountry, which is plenty. And you don't have to do any maintenance. You don't have to change the oil. You don't have to put gas in it. You don't have to clean the air filter. All you gotta do is plug it in and charge it. Get a Surron. All we did for Jessica was get a 21-inch front wheel, change out the tires, switch out the pegs, taller handlebar. We were off to the races. You're super comfortable on it. Able to handle any kind of terrain. It's got plenty of power. It's got great brakes. Suspension's good. She loves it. High Lakes Trail. And we are approaching the notorious river crossing. Oh my god, is there a bridge now? Holy shit. Holy shit. There's a bridge now!
I can't, I'm not driving that.
All right, let's not make too much of a big deal out of this. But essentially, oh, I don't think you can see anything on my camera. You can't. The hard part is not getting my foot caught on my my foot peg. All right. No problem. No problem.
I know it's probably like 2 feet wide, but when you're walking on it, it feels like...
Okay. So, the hard part is not falling in the river, but the equally hard part is getting a good video. Okay, I did it. I guess I'm not done yet. Okay, I did it. I made it across the river. Made it across the river, and now it's time to get up. Ooh, that was hard. Get up the High Lakes Trail. Oh, I see hikers. Oh.
There's a bridge that goes over the river. It's narrow, but you can walk across.
Yeah, it's new. They just
And it's new.
wasn't here last year.
He walked my bike because fuck that. Come up to me.
You enjoy the trail.
Isn't that electric bike great?
So cool.
Whoa, yeah. Fuck yeah. Woo. Yeah, High Lakes. Doing it. Oh, you're so close. Oh, you're so close. You want to back up. Try it again. Yeah. Nice. Okay, that was actually a hard one. Oh boy, I'm gonna go into first gear. Oh yeah, you're doing it. This is hard. Good job. I'm gonna go with the hard side, the dumb side. Well, you got it. Hell yeah! Oh. So cool. This is so cool.
Trickier than Ruth.
Yeah. That's why I think you could probably do Bishop Ridge. Because Bishop Ridge is just it's all rocks. This is a lava rock. This is all. This trail is rated blue. Nice. Woo! Getting pinchy there. This is just shale and stuff. It's awesome. This is like monster trucking. Yeah! You made it. Switchback. Look at her go. Alright, I think that was the hard part is over. I think I've ridden the T-dub on this part. Oh, here we are at the first lake. Well, yeah, you just clean that whole thing like all by yourself, like a champion. That was it.
Oh my
Chain of Lakes.
Well, now I'm